Hi, friends. Welcome to What Should I Do? Making Good Choices. We'll watch short stories, see two choices, and you decide what to do. When you see the words pause and choose, say your answer out loud. Ready to practice kindness, calm words, and inclusion? Let's start with Scenario 1. Scenario 1. A child sees a classmate drop their crayons. Choices: A. Walk away. B. Help pick them up. The best choice is B. Help pick them up. Helping is kind and makes others feel good. When we help, we show we care and make our classroom a happier place. Awesome choice. Get ready for Scenario 2. Scenario 2. A child feels angry because someone took their turn. Choices: A. Yell. B. Use calm words and ask for a turn. The best choice is B. Use calm words and ask for a turn. Using calm words helps solve problems. Calm talk turns big feelings into solutions everyone can follow. Great job staying calm. Time for Scenario 3. Scenario 3. A child sees someone sitting alone at lunch. Choices: A. Ignore them. B. Invite them to sit together. The best choice is B. Invite them to sit together. Being inclusive is kind. Inviting someone in helps everyone feel welcome and valued. You made caring choices. Let's wrap up with what we learned. Today we practiced making good choices. Helping is kind and makes others feel good. Using calm words helps solve problems. Being inclusive is kind. Each day we can choose kindness, calm, and inclusion. When choices pop up, pause, think, and choose your best self. Thanks for watching. See you next time. See.